Hi, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you at Donistan we have our 501 big block Ford stroker engine combination. This thing came out sweet. Let me go over a little bit about the build spec on it. We got the 460 block, did the Eagle 501 stroker rotating assembly. For the camshaft we got the hydraulic roller camshaft done by Comp Cams. Top end we got the Performance aluminum cylinder heads, Comp Cams roller rockers, manly push rods. For the intake, we're using the Edelbrock air gap. This specific customer asks us to put the MSD Atomic EFI, which is a really sweet addition to this motor, as well as he asks us to install the March Serpentine kit. If you're interested in this specific engine package, or any one of our other ones, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940, or check us out online at proformanceunlimited.com. Let's take you over to Don. I think you'll be pretty impressed.